Have you ever dreamed of making money from YouTube? Do you think you can become a millionaire without making videos? Well, before you go down this path, you should know this. More than 90% of people who start YouTube automation fail. Why? Today we are going to look at 15 of the biggest mistakes that cause this failure. So stay with me until the end of the video. First of all, what is YouTube automation? Simply put, YouTube automation is the process of setting up and managing a YouTube's channel without ever stepping in front of a camera or even doing all the work yourself. You use a team of writers, editors, voice actors, etc. to produce content. The goal is for the channel to monetize automatically. But why is this model so appealing? Because you don't have to show your face or spend a lot of time on each video. So why do so many fail? Let's take a look at the top 15 reasons why. 1. Expecting quick income. Many people think they can make thousands of dollars in a month or two, but the truth is that success on YouTube takes time, effort, and strategy. It usually takes new channels 6 to 12 months to achieve sustainable revenue. 2. Choosing the wrong niche. One of the biggest mistakes people make is choosing niches that are low revenue or overly competitive. You need to find a niche that is both in high demand and doesn't have stiff competition. Researching your industry's CPM and RPM is very important. 3. Using duplicate or copied content. YouTube has advanced systems to detect duplicate content. If your content is taken from somewhere else or is just a simple rewrite of other people's videos, your channel can be demonetized and lose the ability to earn money. 4. Low video quality. Content quality always comes first. If your videos are of poor quality, poorly edited, or have poor sound, users will leave the video very quickly. YouTube will notice this and recommend your videos less often. 5. Ignoring YouTube's algorithm. YouTube is a video search engine, so you need to understand its algorithms. CTR, click-through rate. Watch time, video viewing duration. Audience retention are key factors for the growth of your channel. 6. Poor thumbnails and titles. Even the best content won't be seen if the cover and title of the video aren't appealing. You need to design thumbnails that pique the audience's curiosity without being misleading. 7. Working without a strategy. You need to have a detailed plan for publishing videos, the number of uploads, the type of content, researching new trends, and reviewing the performance of past videos should be part of your strategy. 8. Focus on quantity over quality. Some people think that if they upload a few videos a day, they will grow faster. But YouTube prefers quality over quantity. It is better to produce fewer videos, but with high quality and more value for the audience. 9. Lack of call to action, CTA. If you do not ask the audience to like, comment, and subscribe at the end of the video, your engagement rate will drop. This rate is one of the most important factors for success on YouTube. 10. Buying fake engagement. Many people resort to buying fake views, subscriptions, or likes to grow quickly. Not only does this not help your channel, but when YouTube finds out, it may close your channel or cut off its revenue. 11. Ignoring statistics and data analysis. Every video you publish has valuable information about its performance. You should carefully examine YouTube analytics and understand what is working and what is not. 12. Early and excessive promotion. If you just launched the channel and constantly add sponsorships and advertisements to the videos, the audience will feel that you are only after money and do not value them. 13. Lack of interaction with the audience. The comments of the audience are very important. If you do not see the answer to the comments or do not interact, the audience will feel that you do not care and will move on to other channels. 14. Disappointment and leaving the project before success. Many abandon their channel after 2 or 3 months of not seeing results. YouTube is made for patient people. You need to spend at least 6 months to a year and constantly improve. 15. Lack of diverse income sources. AdSense is not the only way to make money from YouTube. You can also earn from affiliate marketing, sponsorships, selling digital products, and training courses. YouTube can be one of the best ways to make money for you, but only if you don't make these mistakes. Remember, success in YouTube automation depends on patience, planning, and continuous learning. Now, if you follow these tips, your chances of success will surely multiply. If this video was useful to you, be sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell to be the first to see the next videos. Thank you for being with me. Until the next video, be successful and proud!